Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So we picked up this last night. I should say my boyfriend did. But this is what's going to make the 59 go vroom and stay running. It went vroom already. We know it runs good. But this little beauty here is what's going to do the job. Because the one that's on it now is so dried up. I don't know if I can get this out while I'm holding the phone. Let me get it out real quick. I'll be right back with you guys. All right, here we are. So this is a direct replacement, obviously just an Edelbrock though, of what's already on the 59. Same exact as what's on there, but all nice and brand new and pretty, to the tune of about $500. Got our new filter here, so that's going to be the project for possibly tomorrow if people get off work in time, but more likely Sunday. So here's the motor on the 59. So that nice, pretty new Edelbrock is going to replace this monstrosity that is covered in grease and just junk. So anyway, that will make this car run well. And also our throttle cable is frozen. When you push on the gas pedal inside the car, it does not move. So we're going to have to unfreeze that and figure out what's up with that. But anyway, that'll be a project for this weekend. Hope you guys will tune back in. As I've said before, I am possibly going to sell this car. So if you guys are just tuning into the video, let me know if you're interested. My contact information will be in the end of this video. But anyway, new carb coming this weekend. Thanks guys, see you next time.